Newsflash, OPM has released skills-based hiring guidance. Now, you've got to give me some credit here. I've made it clear when discussing careers in marketing, social media, public relations, that practical skills are essential and provide you with the edge you need to apply for those positions, as well as creating your own experience. I've used it myself, and I've definitely shared it with you. Well, here we are with a news release from OPM on skills-based hiring guidance. The guidance, which now encourages federal agencies to value applicants based on what they can do, regardless of where they learned it. Skills-based assessments will also support agencies as they prepare for the future of work. As technologies change, the economy, and the way our government services are delivered, especially when it's skills necessary for job success and the changes that are rapidly evolving, skills-based assessments can inform agencies in a way that they can upscale the hiring process and create approaches that allow the government to create long-term success. From the beginning, I've talked about how valuable your knowledge, skills, and abilities are. If you don't know, go to my tutorial playlist. I dedicated an entire tutorial as well as my Work Wednesdays to showing you how to approach creating your federal resume on your own, not through a paid service, but doing the work yourself with me, because I'm making it easier. Please like and share. It helps my channel grow and helps more people smart like you join me with the federal government. Using a skills-based hiring approach to identify talent has become the standard approach in the technology sector. Why? Because it's continually changing. The federal government absolutely recognizes that in order for it to be competitive, it must hire professionals no matter their formal background. Now, why is this important to you? This hiring practice will expand the government's reach to diverse and historically underrepresented candidates, as well as increasing the number of individuals with the right skills and experience to do important work. And what are historically underrepresented individuals? Veterans, disabled persons, minorities, women, smart people, individuals that can do the right job with the right set of experience to do the important work. So what are you waiting for? Get prepared and get your application in. The time is now.